Hi everyone, it's Simon Ahmed here with episode 7 of Q&A with QuneUp. Today's question is, how do I keep up with all of the changes to this document? Answer, revision history. With the advances in software technology, we can sometimes take it for granted that those changes get saved automatically. However, it's important to document what those changes actually were and where those changes appear within the document. A timestamp lets you know how long ago a particular document has been updated. Has it been 6 months or more than 3 years? As a general rule, SOPs should never go more than 3 years without seeing an update. Even if there are no changes, it's important to do a periodic review. Maybe the SOP hasn't changed itself, but the process that it applies to has, or there has been a change in employees. Do more employees need to be trained on this SOP? Is this SOP even still relevant, especially if the underlying process has changed or been decommissioned? The revision history clues you into not only when these changes were made, but the reasons behind those changes. For example, as systems go more and more digital, certain SOPs may need to be updated to state that electronic signatures are now being accepted in lieu of paper or wet signatures. I hope this helps. Thank you.